Good morning. Let us understand what is time of supply. Time of supply determines when the liability to pay tax would arise. Time of supply is also known as point of taxation. Time of supply means the point in time when the goods or services is deemed to be supplied or provided. It is a point of time where the goods and services is deemed to be supplied or provided. In order to calculate and discharge tax liability, it is important to know the date when the tax liability arises, the date on which charging event has occurred. Time of supply is been defined in three sections in the Central Goods and Service Tax Act 2017. Time of supply of goods comes under Section 12. Time of supply of services comes under Section 13. Under Section 14, change in rate of tax in respect of supply of goods and services arises. The time of supply of goods can be classified under three broad categories. First one, time of supply for goods and services under forward charge mechanism. Time of supply of goods and services under reverse charge mechanism. Time of supply for goods and services under other provisions. So, time of supply for goods and services under forward charge mechanism. Forward charge refers to the regular payment of tax. When the buyer pays the tax to the supply of goods and supplier in turn remits the tax to the tax authority, this is known as forward charge mechanism. Now, the time of supply of goods and service comes under Section 12(2). The liability to pay tax on goods shall arise at the time of supply as determined in according to the provisions specified. The time of supply of goods shall be earlier of the following dates. One is date of issue of tax invoice as per provision of Section 31 of Central Goods and Service Tax Act, date of receipt of payment. As per Section 31 of Central Goods and Service Tax Act, which deals with time for issuing GST invoice, an invoice for supply of goods need to be issued before or at the time of removal of goods to the recipient. Where the supply involves movement of goods, an invoice need to be issued before or time of supply of goods to the recipient where the supply involves movement of goods.